So welcome. This is an important lesson. The trend. Trends is our friend. Please understand trend equals market direction. Do not fight the trend. What you will find in trends, is it an uptrend going up? Is it a downtrend going down? Is it consolidating, going sideways, operating inside up and down inside a high level, as we just saw on support and resistance lesson, operating inside of a high resistance level and a low support level, price going up and down sideways. Why trading against the trend is harder. Higher time frames matter. All right, so that's what we're going to cover. So let's get to it. Before you take a trade, ask yourself one question. What is price doing overall? Is it trending higher? Is it trending lower or moving sideways? In an uptrend, price is generally making stronger pushes upward, making higher highs and higher lows, breaking through resistance levels and making new support levels. In a downtrend, price is generally falling lower, making lower highs and lower lows, breaking through support levels, making new support levels. In consolidation, price is trapped, often between resistance levels and support levels. Beginners often lose money because they keep trying to predict reversals instead of respecting current structure. You don't need to be a hero. You just need to be aligned with what trend the market is in. Let's go over some. Let's take a look at some trends. So let's take a look at a different asset. We've been doing SPY on a few of our examples. Let's go take a look at a different asset. Let's go pick, let's go with a popular one, NVDA. Let's go check out NVIDIA trends. So we're going to go on the 1 hour because we can see a lot more on the 1 hour time frame. So let's see. So as you can see here, from Monday, March 30th, 2026, this was the lowest point for NVIDIA. So we mark our lowest point right here with a support level. Then we go and take a line and mark it up to current price level. Okay. So as you can see, from Monday, March 30th, 2026, NVIDIA was at a low of 163. From then, it has been going up, making new highs. This was the first high. This was another high. This was another high. And it made a new high, the highest level right here. So it has been making higher highs, higher lows. So this is a uptrend going up. Price is going up from 163 Monday, March 30th, 2026 to current Friday, April 24th, 2026. NVIDIA price is at $209. That is important. That is an uptrend. But inside of this uptrend, you can see this. So price had made this high right here of 202.94. 202.94 made this high. We'll put our resistance level on there because that's when it makes highs. We put a resistance level. And then you see underneath, it kind of bounced off of the area right here. So from Monday, April 20th, 2026, NVIDIA was operating inside of a channel. The support level was 198.24, bounced off of it, went to that resistance level, the high of 202, rejected it, didn't come all the way back to the support, bounced up here, went back, tested the resistance level, rejected, came back to the support level, 198, and bounced up off of it like a kid on a trampoline. Let's go find a downtrend now. So we did an uptrend and we did a channel, a downtrend. So from Wednesday, February 25th, 2026, the high NVIDIA was this resistance level of 202.94 area. It rejected that level, and from that Wednesday, February 25th, 2026, the price has been going down, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So this is a downtrend structure. So you need to understand that. We'll get more into details on that, but wanted to give you a visual idea of what I was mentioning in the beginning. Stay sharp. Let's go. We got more.